Here we go. Let me make sure I can see you in the picture, okay? Okay, here we go. Peas. You like them? Good boy. Peas. What do you think? Peas. Open up. Ah. Ah. Peas. Mmm. Yummy. You're weird. Even smelling smelling these is making Mommy sick. They're so gross. Mama hates peas. You're a good boy though. Yeah. What do you think? You're gonna get so big eating all your peas. Oh, and these smell terrible. Oh. Oh. Yummy? Mmm. Are they good? Are they yummy? Or are you just that hungry? Or that much of a pig? You need to sit down and not stand up trying to eat. Here. You see the camera? Oh, pea nose. Pea nose. More? Over here. Mmm. Sit down. Aiden, sit down. If I put it here, you're gonna put your hands in it immediately. Or your whole face. You're gonna eat like a piggy. I even set up the video camera because I thought you were going to spit this out and it was going to be hilarious. But we have not met a food that you don't like. Bananas, you make a weird face, but you still like them, huh? Should have waited for Daddy to feed you this so we could get a shot of that green face. No, no, no. Here. Hold it. Hold that spoon. Good boy. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. You're holding the spoon too close. Hold it back here. Okay. Well, sorry, now I have stinky peas on my hand. You'll get it when you're a little bit older. Don't eat that hand. You got peas on your mouth. Hey, get that hand on there. Here. Peas. Hold on. Might not come fast enough. Hey. Hey, hey. No, no. No, no. What's with the hand? Get your hands out there. Sit back and relax, bud. Here, last bite. Still some left on the spoon. Okay, look at the camera and say, I officially love peas. Aiden, I love peas. I love peas. Look, let's see the tooth. Open up. Let's see it. Oh, Mommy can't do two things at once. You. Oh well. So we'll see it when it's bigger. Let's see it when it's bigger. Say bye-bye. Hey, say bye-bye. Like this. Wave like this. Say bye. Or just eat your hand.